What's going on, you guys? It's your old Pies here, not some view. Today we're reviewing the ice cream truck. The story, let's just get right to the plot. The story sucks. The actors are boring. They can't act worth shit. The kills are boring. This movie is no good. I mean, yes, they did better than the other movie, Clown of the Dead, but not very far, though. This movie is awful. My eyes feel like they're gonna bleed because of this movie. That's how shitty it is. I watched 3 movies today, and all 3 of them were shit. Like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.